What if I told you that the pain you're feeling, the confusion you're drowning in, is actually the beginning of your awakening? Right now, millions are experiencing something terrifying but extraordinary. A secret transformation Carl Jung warned about 100 years ago, and today I'll show you the 7 undeniable signs you're living through it. Stay till the end, because the final sign will unlock a truth about yourself you've never dared to face. Ready? Let's dive into the shadows. Everything you used to care about suddenly feels meaningless. You stare at your goals, your job, your achievements, and feel nothing. That's not failure. That's transformation. Jung said, people will do anything, no matter how absurd, to avoid facing their own souls. Right now, your old identity is collapsing, and it feels like death. But it's not death, it's rebirth. And the deeper you sink into the unknown, the closer you get to your real self. But that's just the beginning. Next comes the most dangerous phase. Friends, family, religion, politics. Suddenly you see cracks everywhere. You ask, why am I even living this way? Who decided this was success? Is everything I was taught a lie? Jung called this the breakdown of the persona, the fake self we create to survive in society. But once the mask slips, you can't put it back on. And that's when reality itself starts to shake beneath your feet. And if you think that feels scary, wait until your emotions take control next. One day you're ecstatic. The next you're weeping on the floor. Then furious. Then numb. Emotional chaos isn't a breakdown. It's a purge. Jung taught that buried emotions don't die, they wait. Now they're rushing out because your soul can't carry the weight anymore. The rage you repressed, the sadness you denied, the fear you buried deep. All of it demands to be felt so that you can finally be free. And when the storm inside you rages, another brutal shift happens. Your friends don't understand you anymore. Conversations feel shallow. You pull away, or they pull away first. Loneliness during awakening isn't a punishment. It's a sacred space where your true voice can finally be heard. Jung said, the privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. And becoming who you are means losing everything that kept you who you weren't. But right when you think you're completely alone, life begins whispering back, repeating numbers, dreams that come true, thinking of someone, and they call. Jung coined the term synchronicity to describe these sacred coincidences. They aren't random. They're signs. Your unconscious mind and the external world are starting to dance together. It's life whispering. You're waking up. Keep going. But soon after, a far bigger change begins inside you. Before, you tolerated fake friends, draining jobs, toxic love. Now, you just can't anymore. Jung believed healing starts when the soul refuses to betray itself further. When you say no to what kills you inside, you say yes to the life you deserve. And when you reclaim that power, one final hunger explodes inside you. Money, fame, likes on the screen. Meaningless. You're starving for authenticity, for soul, for purpose. Jung called it the return to the self. When nothing fake can satisfy you anymore, you know you've crossed the line into your true awakening. Right now, you're standing on sacred ground, between who you were and who you are becoming. If these signs resonated with you, you're not broken. You're waking up. Subscribe to keep walking your true path, and tell me in the comments which moment hit you the hardest. Your story could help someone else who's just beginning their awakening.